Imagine a niche so scorching hot that it's igniting viral flames across TikTok. This niche is propelling wise creators to millions of views with every video upload. This niche is innovative and fresh. This niche is literally a gold mine, where each video effortlessly racks up thousands and millions of views and earns its maker thousands of dollars through TikTok's creativity program. This TikTok creativity program is designed by TikTok to reward its content creators. Essentially, TikTok pays, on average, $1,000 for every 1 million qualified views your content receives. The video has to be at least 1 minute long and original to qualify. And with this niche, I am about to show you, meeting up with the TikTok creativity program requirement and racking in millions of views is just a breeze. And the best part is, this niche is underrated and untapped with very low competition. This is your golden opportunity to jump in before everyone else does. Take a look at this TikTok account named Mind Mingle. The Mind Mingle channel has over 1 million followers on TikTok and has gathered over 11 million likes. Impressive, right? What is even more impressive is that they have been so successful by posting simple-to-make videos. Their top 3 videos combined have over 50 million views. That translates into thousands of dollars every month. If you do the math, their 3 top videos have earned over $50,000 in the TikTok creativity program. They have several other videos with millions of views each. This channel is making impressive amounts each month, and you can do the same too. So first, let us analyze their videos. They are quiz videos on either of 3 main categories, which are math questions, general quiz questions, or the Guess the Flag series. These videos are so easy to make that you can practically make your first video in under 15 minutes as a newbie with zero video editing experience. For a video to do well on TikTok, it has to grab people's attention right away. An interesting video should hook viewers from the beginning and keep them engaged until the end. That's why this niche is so successful. It's captivating right from the start, and viewers are eager to watch it all the way through. Let us briefly watch a sample of their video and analyze why it is so successful.
If you don't get 8 out of 10, you need to go back to school. What is the capital city of Australia?
Canberra.
Which famous...
Did you notice why this niche is a gold mine? First, the video opens with a challenge to the audience. If you do not get 8 out of 10 questions, you need to go back to school. All their videos open with similar challenges. That intro has gotten the viewers curious to see the questions and if they can score 8. So the introduction of the video is engaging, and the video itself allows the viewers to participate in trying to get the answers. Many viewers would show it to their friends to also test them. So the video would keep getting repeated views and shares. Viewers would also love to comment about their score in the test. All these factors would boost the video's ranking on the TikTok algorithm. Using AI tools makes the whole process super simple, and if you follow the steps in these videos, you'll be ready to make your first video in just a few minutes. So now let us get started on how to make a quiz video for TikTok. So here are the things we would need to make this general question quiz video. General quiz questions with 3 multiple choice options, captivating narrative voiceovers, colorful AI-generated images, the right sound effects. Combine them all into a video. We begin by generating our general quiz questions. To do this, we would use ChatGPT. This is a handy AI platform. You will find a link to ChatGPT in the description below. So now I will prompt ChatGPT to generate a table of 10 tricky general quiz questions, each with 3 multiple answer options, 1 correct answer, and 2 wrong answers. In just seconds, ChatGPT has created a table of 10 general quiz questions to choose from. Be sure to save this list, because we will use 5 questions from the list to make this video and save the rest for another video. So I am going to select 4 questions from this list. Let me drop my first pro tip here. Make sure that your first question is related to something that most viewers would like to find answers to. You also do not want the first question to be too hard to scare off viewers. This is to ensure that viewers stick around watching to get the answer after hearing the question. This would increase watch time and ensure that they would watch the entire video. So from the list of questions, I am going to select this as my first question in making my video. What is the largest organ in the human body? I am sure many people would want to know what the largest organ in their body is. We just concluded the first step, which is generating our questions and multiple choice options. We now move on to the next part, which is to get captivating voiceovers for the narration. We would be using ElevenLabs for this. This is one of the best text-to-speech AI tools available. I love using it because it has a large voice library from which you can select the best voiceover for your narrative. You can find a link to ElevenLabs in the description below. So let us head over to ElevenLabs. When you get to ElevenLabs, you will see a text box. Paste your script, select a voice if your choice, select the suitable settings and click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your voiceover is ready. Next on the list is to get the right colorful video to act as backgrounds for our quiz, and we also need to get the images appropriate to each question. First, we need to get the right background. This background would serve as the canvas on which our images and text captions would be displayed. To select a background, let's use Vecteezy. This is a great place to get stock videos and backgrounds. You will find a link to Vecteezy.com in the description below. Once there, you would need to register. Next, use the search bar to look for patterned backgrounds. Once you enter it, you would see several types of backgrounds to choose from. Select the one you like and click on Download. So now we have our background. We need to get the other images that would suit each of our 5W quiz questions. To do this, we have two options. You can use any of them or even combine both. We simply need to find relevant free stock images. A great place to download royalty-free stock pictures is Freepik and Pexels. The second option is to generate our images using AI tool. For this, I will recommend Leonardo. It is very easy to use, and it offers daily free credit that would be enough to generate the images you need. You can find a link to Leonardo in the video description below. Go over to leonardo.com/register and sign in. On the left menu, select Image Generation. I will then enter a search prompt. We need an image of a human body that relates to the first question. I would enter this prompt, and in less than few seconds, the images will be generated. Download it, and repeat the same process for other images. One image per question is enough. Now we have our questions, our voiceovers, and our images. We need to get the right sound effects. We need the sound of a ticking clock timer to create suspense while the viewer contemplates the answer to the question. We would also require a ding or bell chime effect to be used when the right answer is to be given. For sound effects, let us use Pixabay. This is a great place to find free sound effects. You will find a link in the description below. You would need to register for a new account on Pixabay. Then you navigate to the sound effects section. Then go to the search bar. I will search for a countdown ticking clock sound. Several search result options would be displayed. You can listen to them to find the one you like. Repeat the process to also search for and download the right bell ding sound. Now, we have come to the final part of creating our general quiz video for TikTok. This is where we bring all the elements together. We need to combine our voiceovers, our images, and our sound effects into a cool 1-minute video and add text captions and other effects. Since we are making a video for the TikTok Creativity Program, the video needs to be at least 1 minute long. To create our video, we would use CapCut. This is a great tool to help even newbies with no previous skills create their very first video in a few minutes. Let us now go to CapCut. You can find the link in the description below. First, go to CapCut and sign up or log in. Then, click on New Project at the top right corner. This will take you to the editing area. After that, upload all the things we will need for the video: the patterned background, the voice recordings, background video, and the images for the questions and the sound effects of a ticking clock and a bell ding. First, drag your voiceovers to the first timeline for audio and arrange them in the correct order. Now you can see the full length of your video. Next, drag your blue patterned background video to the timeline just above the voiceover. Duplicate the frame or use the copy and paste shortcut keys. Arrange them one after the other. Keep repeating the blue patterned background until it matches the length of the voiceover. Next, adjust the frame of your video to fit TikTok. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which gives you a portrait size, perfect for TikTok. Make sure to adjust the ratio, or your video won't look good. Now we have the voiceovers and background image on the timeline. Next, add the images for your quiz questions. Drag the first image for the first question, which is the image of the human body, into the timeline below. Repeat this process for the other 4 images later. We want the images on our patterned background. Click on the image and set it as an overlay. We don't want it to cover the blue background, but we want it displayed on top as an overlay. Do this for all 5 quiz images and resize them in the video interface as needed. Make sure each voiceover matches the right image for the question. Here is how the sequence it should go. Start with the voiceover for the first question. After asking the question, add the sound effects of a ticking clock for a 5-second duration. This gives viewers time to think about the answer. After about 5 seconds, play the bell ding sound effect. Then, play the voiceover, revealing the correct answer. Repeat this process for each question, ensuring to use the appropriate image and voiceover. Continue until all 5 questions, along with their corresponding voiceovers and sound effects, are arranged accordingly. Now, we should add captions and transition effects. Captions are words on the screen that help people understand and follow the video better. CapCut can do this automatically. To activate this feature, click on the text button in the top left. Then choose Auto Captions. CapCut will add captions at the bottom of the video. We would then need to adjust the generated captions to look better. First, move the captions to the center of the video for better visibility. Then, select the right font style and size. We need something bold and unique. We want the captions to really stand out. Finally, scroll down and enable the stroke and shadow features to make the captions easier to read. To make our video even better, let's add some cool transition animations. Click on each image and click on the animation. There are lots of options to pick from. You can make the image fade in, zoom in, or slide onto the screen. It's up to you to decide which one you like best. Using these animations will give your video a more professional look and help it stand out. Great job! Our first video is all set. Now you can export it. Your first general quiz video is ready for upload to your TikTok account. Now, let's watch the new video together.
If you can get 3 out of these 5 general questions, then you are a very smart person with a high IQ. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Skin. The correct answer is C. Skin. What is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Mount Everest. B. Mount Kilimanjaro. C. Mount McKinley. The correct answer is A. Mount Everest. In what year did the Titanic sink? A. 1912. B. 1905. C. 1920. The correct answer is A. 1912. Who painted the famous Mona Lisa? A. Michelangelo. B. Leonardo da Vinci. C. Pablo Picasso. The correct answer is B. Leonardo da Vinci. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Staple.
As you can see, making this video was easy with the right tools. Make sure to keep practicing and creating more videos to improve your skills. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like it. Also, subscribe to this channel for more tips on making money easily.